English together.
Weekend plans.
Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents. What about you?
That sounds nice. I am going hiking with some friends.
Hiking sounds fun. Where are you going?
We're going to the mountains near the city. The views are amazing.
Wow, I love nature. How long are you planning to hike?
We're planning to hike for about 3 hours. We'll have a picnic too.
That sounds great. What are you bringing for the picnic?
We're bringing sandwiches, fruit, and some drinks. What about you? What will you do with your grandparents?
We're going to cook together. My grandma makes the best cookies.
Yum! I love cookies. Do you help her in the kitchen?
Yes, I do. It's so much fun.
That sounds like a perfect weekend.
It is. I like spending time with my family. What time are you leaving for your hike?
We are leaving in the afternoon.
Good idea. I hope you have a great time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.